Today, I'm going to show you an easy way to make really cool smoke rings, like this. Start by taking an empty plastic bottle, then using a pair of scissors, carefully cut off the bottom, like this, and remove the lid. Then take a balloon, and using your scissors again, cut it in half. Next, we're going to take the bottom part of the balloon, open it up, and carefully stretch it over the bottom part of the bottle. It should look like this. To fill it up with smoke, we're going to use an incense stick. Get it burning, blow it out and pop it inside the bottle to collect the smoke. Make sure it doesn't touch the plastic. When it's full, remove your incense stick and it's ready to use. Just tap the balloon with your thumb and you'll start making smoke rings. With a bit of practice, you can start doing some fun stuff, like trying to shoot one ring through the middle of another. Pretty cool, huh? And if it starts running out, you can just light up your incense stick again, fill it up, and you're back in action. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video.